Hello from the Ion. We're just going to give you a quick walkthrough. We just set up the room for our workshop on Monday and Tuesday, and let's take a look and let's see what we've got. All right, it's a beautiful space that we're having here in the Chevron space, and we have a number of different pavilions, but I'm going to take you to where we're going to start the workshop tomorrow. We're going to start in the town hall. It's a big open space where we're going to greet all of our attendees after breakfast, and we're going to give them some just general instructions for the workshop. We'll set up all the tiered seating here with the stickies and the pens for the introduction. And over here, we're going to have about 24 people in this open space, and our kind of instruction slides are going to be on the main screen here, and we've set up the board already for some of the introductory exercises. And then we'll break out as we go into the breakout teams for the rest of the workshop. We'll have one breakout room here, all set up with our posters and our first work area. And then another one that's very similar over here, which is Think Tank 2. Have this one set up, and it's going to be fantastic because the teams are going to be having their own workspaces, but they're going to be close enough to have that community feel with them. So I'm really looking forward to see how that works out. We have one breakout team over here in the sandbox room. It's a bit more spacey actually, which is really nice. Got the glass walls where we're going to have the work area. Got our instruction posters on the walls and on the doors. And then the last team, the last breakout, our fourth team, is going to be in the exploration room. Let's go there and let's have a look. Hello, exploration room. This is more of a traditional conference room, but we changed the layout a little bit to make it a bit more cozy. And what you have here, again, we have our instruction posters on the wall, and the main work area is over here, these whiteboards, and our staging area is over here on the back wall. So this is the layout of the workspaces. We're all primed, we're ready to go. We're gonna have a fantastic workshop, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right. Take it easy, guys.